Hey guys, we are Allerion, and today we are solving the problem that most allergy tools still leave invisible. Right now, current technologies only provide us a generic update, like pollen is very high today, or maybe something a bit less specific, but it does not tell us what is actually causing the risk, where it is the strongest, or what a user should do next. Allerion turns the invisible pollen risk into something visible, local, and actionable so users can prevent flare ups before symptoms begin. Let's first proceed to the live map section of our project. I'll start with the live map. It gives us a localized pollen risk view around the user's area. The map uses color intensity and density to show where the risk is lower and where it becomes more severe nearby. So instead of a broad citywide warning, the user can usually see how pollen exposure changes across locations around them. Uh, in this prototype, the experience is currently local first, and right now the supported flow works best for the current pin code and nearby area. The heat map is focused on the local range, roughly around 1 km, to make the signal feel practical and relevant rather than the overly broad. Next up, we proceed to our forecast tab. Here we show the user's current pollen situation, including a comparison from yesterday to today, so they can immediately tell whether conditions are improving or getting worse. We can also generate a general advisory for today's situation in plain language so that the user does not have to interpret raw pollen numbers on their own. Behind this, we use a composite index that brings together pollen signals and environmental conditions to produce one clear risk score. We also surface the most relevant pollen contributors so the user gets both a high level summary and something more specific. Next, we proceed to the identify section of our project. Here, a user gets to take and upload a photo wherein he can identify a flower or any sort of pollen transmitter, which helps him to identify if this is something which will affect them overall or not. Currently, this takes quite a while to like demonstrate, so we'll be skipping it in this demonstration. We also have a My Profile section in our project where the user can set up their personal allergy context, including their location or PIN code, the kind of sensitivities they suffer from, like trees, grass, or weed, symptoms such as asthma or rhinitis, medications, and alert preferences. Finally, we have our AI consultant tab. This is a conversational layer that helps user understand what to do next. It can answer allergy related questions, generate safer travel or exposure guidance, and also work with uploaded plant images. So instead of only showing risk, Allerion also helps translate that risk into action, which is our real goal here. Finally, I'd like to conclude by saying that our product helps users move from reactive allergy management to preventive care by